Here I have this walk animation and it is limited to only this much keyframes. I want a continuous animation cycle. For that, here I have opened the graph editor, select the armature and come to the graph editor. Select any curve on the graph editor and then press N key to get this properties. Here you need to come to the modifier option. Then you need to go to the add modifier and add cycles. After adding cycle modifier, I am getting this kind of curve. I am going to increase this animation a little bit and you can see now the animation is continuous. Then you go to this before mode and change it to repeat with offset and you can see the change at here. Then go to the after mode and same thing, change it to repeat with offset. And now you can see I have got this kind of straight line and now you can see it goes continuously in a forward direction. Now this is only in this one axis. Then you need to click on this copy F modifier option and then you need to press A key to select all curves and then go here on this paste F modifier option and click it. Then just you need to select this curve and here you can see there are double cycle modifiers. Just delete one and in this way we have copied the cycle modifier to all curves. Because of that we will get the continuous animation cycle. Here you can see I have got this continuous animation cycle. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial then please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.